Right, okay, on to the next thing. See this? This. Where's my screwdriver? Got it in my pocket somewhere. At least I thought I had it in my pocket. Ah, yes I have. Right, okay. Yeah. Okay, got to be a better way. You can buy a fun wheel for 20 quid. And me, being the poor bum that I am, this Jeff's bike, I've got a crap load of tons of camera mounts. And what I decided to do is, I know that the pitch on the camera mount, yeah, look, I've got these, which is very interesting. Yep, this is just a camera mount, and it just so happens that the seat screw is the same as the camera mount screw, which is, I do believe, a UNC 20 turns per inch. Okay, now because I've already taken the back off of Jeff's one, here's his mount. Right, okay, it's just on with a plastic grip. Okay, let me undo this. Right, okay, so this boss goes up into the bike and this plastic clip clips it in. This comes down and obviously clamps the seat. So I measured this and gone, how long's this? 12 mil. Is it? Let's have a look just to check. Yeah, about 12 mil. Okay, don't throw that over there, put that back there. 12 mil. Okay, so bearing in mind that I know you're jumping ahead, aren't you? So this screw fits into this camera mount screw. Lovely, I thought. Okay, I've got myself a fun wheel to get the seat on and off quickly and efficiently and easily, because it's got a little step in it. Don't know if you can see that. Right, okay, but I thought, well, that's a bit short now, so I want a 12 mil and the thickness of this, which I believe is to be about 6 mil, and I want that all along. Let me just check this. About 5 mil. So got some old UNC stuff here. Lo and behold, got this, which is 19 mil long. I'll check that, because I'm doing this on the fly. Which is, I have got some others which are far too long. You can see they're far too long. That's 30 mil. God knows how long they are. Right, so the idea is, these are Allen headed. It's just a shorter video on, just in case you got this crap, as we have. Yep. Okay. Check that they're the same. Yeah, I'm gonna need a rubber washer or a washer underneath it. It's no good putting a metal washer because the metal washer just slides off. I'll find a rubber washer. This will be the seat boss. Screw this down. That holds the seat. If you want to take the seat off, screw up. But if this jams or anything, I'll probably want to, because I've had the Loctite out to do some stuff on Jeff's bike, what I'll do is I'll spin that off. Ooh, big bumblebee in here. I'll put a drop of Loctite. The stronger the better, but use what you got, or just do it up really tight. It's 1 o'clock. Guy coming to sort out my bike should be here in an hour or so. Might have to go off and get some lunch because I'm starving. Yeah, I'll fill you in about my bike afterwards. Yeah, spin that up. Make sure the Loctite's gone all the way around. Yep. I need my Allen keys. Bear with me. Ouch! Jeff's seat fell on my foot. Okay, looks like a 4. Is it a 4 or a 5? Looks like a 4. I've got a 4 in my pocket from doing Jeff's bike. Ah, right, okay. Then, so I don't want to grab it with anything metal because it'll churn up the side. I wonder if I can grab a towel that's been covering my bike. And just really want to put a good pull on this. If you put it on the right way round, yep. That's not working. It's just sliding. Okay. Okay, and what I'll do while I'm here is I'll nick this one. Yep. I'll grab, keep it in sight. I know this is pretty boring, isn't it, really? I've got the other washer somewhere. Oh, where is it? Oh, I've already spun it on. It's over there. Duh. Yeah, okay. Oh, sugar, Loctite. Oh damn, doing this all off camera. I'll get it right in a second. Get it right in a second. I could hold it tighter in my hand when I can with the towel. Right, so there's 2 of them there. Should have zoomed in a bit really, shouldn't I? No? Yes? No? Probably. Right, so they're Loctited up. Give them about 10 minutes to cure off. Heat behind me's off. This will go on there. Spin up like that, will it? Yep. It's a little bit showing through the end there. Just a little bit. Let me put the other screw in. I can feel you fast forwarding this one. I might actually attach this on the back of another video. Alright, okay, so it doesn't come all the way through. Right, so let's go and test it, shall we? I've still got a screwdriver in my pocket. Yeah, baby. Right, okay. Shall I press pause or swing you around? Just swing you around. Let you look at my bike as I come out. Hope a bird don't poo in the tree, poo on my bike. Right, okay. Right, I haven't done this. So if this goes horribly wrong, you'll never see it. Right. Or you could spend the 20 quid, £25, $30 on a Harley fun wheel, which will probably be, why can't I get this one in? Is it me? Or yes, it's me. There you have it. Look at that. Look at that. All I need to do is put a rubber under there, because that's sitting down. There's nothing wrong with that. It means if you want to get under the seat, no need to carry a screwdriver with you. The bosses are quite small, and that's quite a big, you know, old-fashioned penny. It's about 50 mil, is it? No, 50 mil's 2 inches. That's about 25 mil across. But that's perfect, that is. A fibre washer, a grip in it, or a rubber washer to make sure it fits on there nicely. And, oh, there you go. Get a nice tweak on that. That ain't going to come off. Yeah. Wonderful. There you have it. There you have it. I'm pleased with that. I'm proud of that. I'm glad I've done that. Let me put the camera over here and I'll do the outro. You look up at my nose. Sorry, I've got a wiggly nose. I'll zoom out as well. Point you at me. So there you go. I know I'm wearing a hat and a scarf and the sun's out, but it's not particularly warm. It's a bit drafty back here. But okay. another thing from the shed. Hope you enjoyed that. 10 minutes of boredom gives you something to do. See you next time.